We see ya. We see ya. We see ya. All right. All right.
Gotta get the soap off. Gotta get the soap off.
What you doing? What's he doing? Take a bath? Huh? Take a bath?
They're not liking this stuff, Grandma. They're not liking this stuff at all. They're not liking this stuff at all. Gotta get the soap off. Gotta get the soap off. You still got soap in your hair. So this is what I think about a bath, Grandma and Grandpa. So this is my first crying experience. In the first week of my life. I gotta get the soap out.
Might have to just put it over here in the sink and put the...
Oh. Well, why did you have to do that, goofball? Quiet you down, though. It's almost out. It's almost out. We're almost done. We're almost done. Almost done. We're almost done. This is the first time you've ever had to cry. Ever. Ever. Alright, tell Grandma and Grandpa say my bath is completed.